Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to sign up into the Chase UK application on your mobile device. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Chase UK application. Once you've done that, click on create an account. And finally, once you've done that, it's going to take you to this page. All you need to do is simply go ahead and ensure that you are 18 plus, a resident of the UK only, and have a mobile number or UK mobile number and be a tax resident. Simply go ahead and click on I'm ready, click on continue one more time, and you'll need to go ahead and submit a couple of information. You'll need to give them your name, your date of birth, your address, email, and mobile number. Then you'll need to take a photo of your physical ID and a selfie. Then you need to tell them where you work, how much you earn, and what you spend. And before they open your account, you need to agree to their terms and conditions, and that is about it. So simply go ahead and click on let's go and fill out all the prompts, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.